welcome to the Tech channel again. Today we have another Siemens tire portal tutorial. It's about HMI. Again, I did one first with the example of traffic lights. It was very simple, and today I'm gonna work like on some little bit of animation, especially like the movement. We'll add like flashing and color if we want. So first here I opened this new project and I add like my PLC. So the PLC I'm using, like I usually add here, is a 314C2DP. It's very simple and compact. So I'm not working on a real PLC. I just use PLC sim. So we'll add like our HMI. As I said, like I did some tutorials about the PC system HMI application to connect it to OPC server and like data login and all these things in the previous tutorial. So today I'm continuing on the WinCC tutorial. We'll use HMI as just like a basic panel. What important for us is the animations and functions, not the real material. So we configure our HMI. We use it with this PLC 304. There is only one. We are using MPI connection. We talked about all these things. It's very simple. Alarm screens and logo button, like choose what you want, do what you want. Okay, here we have our screen. Let's remove this. I don't need it. Let's zoom a little bit more. Okay, seems okay. So here, as I said, we'll talk about like movement. They are very simple. Here I'm gonna drag my square or something that I want to move. I'll use like the square, no problem, or rectangle. Okay, here's my rectangle here. Okay, I want to add like in properties, animations, I want to play on this movement. So movement, there are four type of movement: direct movement, or diagonal movement, horizontal movement, or vertical. We will use like the horizontal movement. It's very simple, but first we need for always for the movement a counter. So we go to our PLC in the main. So in the main we add like our counter. For this I'm gonna choose like from the basic instructions counter operations. So first I'm gonna use like just count up CTU, so count up and drag it here. Okay, so let's see the inputs and outputs. So the counter has like a CU, it's like an input, sorry. Every time it receives a pulse, it adds like it count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you know how counter works. We have R for the reset. Then this PV like is a value on which the queue will be active. If you want to activate something like here, depending on the counter value, and here is the counter actual value. So to realize like this few imports, I'm gonna add a clock, a memory for clock. And here we add our clock memory just to generate impulses like a signal. I use like the memory byte 100. Okay, okay, 100. Then I go here, return to my saved project, no problem. I return to main. Okay, here I add like this contact or two contacts. Let's see why. Then a contact for the reset. Okay, so the contact here will use like one for to activate the counter or not. We will add a button for that if we want. I don't know, M0.0. Then the contacts which will generate like the signal, we will use the memory byte like 100, and we'll choose one of frequencies we have. You know how the clock signal work, like M100. Let's use 0.5 first. 0.5 means like 1 hertz, and period like it's 1 second. If you use like 0 M100.0, it's for like 10 hertz I think. But first let's use like just 1 hertz. So the function in here, like if we activate the counter, this will generate like 1 imports per second, and this will like increment 1 per second. That's very simple. Reset, like if this active, it will reset the counter. Let's use the M0.1. The PV we will not use it like for now. We will not use like the Q, and you can choose whatever you want. Let's make it 10. Here you just insert a value, as I said, for which the Q will be active. This like the counter value, will use a word, memory word 10. Okay, so this is our counter. We can check it if you want. It's very simple. Let's simulate it. So about the simulation and these things, I talked it in a previous tutorial. So you see how it's working. It's very simple. If I activate this M0.0, it starts counting. I will remove it, it stops. If I active like the M0.1, it will reset. Let's see it here too. So you see how this clock signal generate like every 1 second. We'll activate like our counter. Now it's incrementing. This is the value. Can reset it. If this reset is active, it will not count. Okay, so this is our counter. It's very basic and very simple. We'll go back to our like animation we want to add. So here, as I said, the movement is always associated with a counter. So here in animations, we go to move object horizontally. Let's move from here to here, and we add like a tag. A tag for this is always a word. here we choose like the range. Here we have from 0 to 100. So when the counter value is 0, this will be here, and when the counter value reaches 100, this rectangle will be here. We will like decrease this value. Let's make it just like make it 50 for now. That's it. That's very simple. I'm gonna save the project and simulate it. Here this is, let's reset it. So this is it. Let's activate our counter, and you see the movement starts depending on the counter. Every like number in the counter has its own pace here. If we stop it, it should stop. There is a little bit of delay because like I think the refreshing rate of this in 1 second. Here we restart it, and the restart like from the when the value is 0, and it came back again. So to make it like move from here to here very fast, we can change few things. I'm gonna close this. First let me like check the acquisition cycle. It's very big. 1 second, let's use 100 milliseconds only. So to move like from here to there, you can change like here, as I said, the range. I reduce it to 10 first. Save projects. And you see the movement now is very fast. It moves from here to here fast, but the like the steps are very big, and it stops here where we set it stop, and we can reset to come back again. Can add like further modifications. We have just to go back to the program. It's here in the clock like generator. You can change it. I'm gonna like use a bigger frequency. Let's use like 3. It stands maybe for 2 Hz. Should upload this program again. Let me see the HMI. Should like increase the range. You see now the steps are very little, but with a higher frequency the movement will be much smoother. So that's it for the movement. Let's check another animations thing. What we have here, just movements and appearance and visibility. Let's check the display. Let's add another object like circle. We'll check the visibility dynamics, and you know, like, this thing is very basic. Just because we are talking here about animations, we'll use it too. We'll see what it's about. Like, we associate these things to a tag. Let's add a tag in our PLC. Let's name it tag 6, no problem. It will be a bool, like, no, not 100, 1.0. And we'll add it to appearance. So here's animation, visibility, sorry, and like we associate it to this tag C. Like here we choose from like the range, and we have like a boolean sorry, it will move, it will solely have like a value 0 or 1. So here you choose like from 0 to 1 if you want it visible or invisible, and in this case this circle will be visible in both values of this tag 6. But here you can choose like from 0 to 0 or from 1 to 1 if you want to show this or not. I'm gonna try it here, like from 1 to 1 it will be visible. Can load my program again because I add like this new tag. Here let's run our HMI. So here, as long as this value is 0, it will not be visible. Now it's visible. It's very basic. Let's see if we can add like another animation. Drag another object. It's the appearance. Here we associate it to a tag. Let's use like the same tag we used before. This 1.0. And here like we choose the colors and flashing if we want, like from range 0 to 0 it will be, let's say, red, and from 1 to 1 let's make it green with a flashing. It's very simple. I'm gonna like modify the tag, sorry, just here to make it 100 milliseconds. Okay, now it's red. We activated is green and flashing. And this one is appearing as well because it's associated to the same bit. So that's it for like the animations. They are very simple and very basic. And if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. You can send me a message or a comment if you have a problem or something. And you can also check the previous tutorials. See you next time.